Welcome to Ringo-Media. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you like the videos, then please give us a thumbs up, and find these interesting and helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So today, a quick update for you to speed up your Firestick. As you can see on my Firestick at the top here, I have a static picture. Okay, I have two static pictures from Amazon. Not a video and no audio. That on its own speeds up the Firestick. So how do we get there? Okay, so we go over to settings and then come down to preferences. In preferences, we go to a featured content. Click on that, and then in there you've got two options, or two to change. Both of these allow video autoplay and audio. Both of them, turn them off. That will then give you what we've got here of just static pictures, which saves a lot of memory and speeds up your Firestick. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.